All right, good morning. We are in Nevada and we are going to head on over to
the Hoover Dam.
Yes, so come join us and we'll show you lots of pictures of the Hoover Dam.
Yeah, we're going to go to Arizona today.
All right, so what is all this, honey?
This is the Hoover Dam region near Boulder City, Nevada.
All right, and why does Boulder City exist today?
Boulder City was created for the workers, 30,000 workers on the Hoover Dam. And they stayed at Boulder City, so they created the city for the workers and their families. Absolutely stunning.
After half a mile, take exit 2 right towards Boulder City. Take exit 2 right. Follow I-11 South, US 93 South, United States Highway 93 South, towards Kingman Rush Access Road, for 3 miles. Route recalculating. Go left on the roundabout, 3rd exit, towards Boulder City, then, after 0.1 miles, turn right, NV 172, onto Nevada Highway.
Follow the tour bus.
Hoover Dam Bridge. Yes, that's what I want to do.
All right.
Hoover Dam Bridge walkway. We are going to walk on the Hoover Dam.
Turn right, NV 172, onto Nevada Highway.
What is that, goat? A goat sign?
Mountain goat, yeah.
A mountain goat sign.
You don't see that in Florida.
You definitely don't see that in Florida.
It's funny that they can walk up these trails. See the little trail there?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Game trail.
is this for? What does that mean? I see water.
That would be the Colorado River.
Lakeview Overlook. Boulder City. Building the dam required thousands of hands. At least 21,000 workers were required during the construction. Approximately 6 miles from the dam site, Boulder City was constructed to provide accommodations for the workers.
Wow.
All right, and the origin of the dam. In 1902, the Reclamation Act provided for the creation of what is now called the Bureau of Reclamation, BOR. Primarily engineers, they sought potential water development projects in western states with federal lands. The Colorado River was chosen because of the flooding it caused by the enormous amount of water it could provide to the surrounding states. All right, let's go look. You can throw that soda can away. I could have worn my jacket. It's a little chilly.
That's what I was saying earlier. It wouldn't have been uncomfortable.
Mm-mm.
It'd be neat to be up here when it rains, because you can see the water coming down the rock.
Oh, this is what I was asking about. Because you hardly see the wildlife out here. So Lake Mead National Recreation Area supports a variety of wildlife, including birds, mammals, fish, reptiles, and amphibians. Okay. Okay, go ahead. Sorry.
Guess drones would be a big deal, right?
Well, because the Air Force up here.
After 0.1 miles, you have reached your destination.
Wow, this is actually exciting. Right?
You have reached your destination.
It doesn't seem like it is, but it really feels like it's exciting. Alright, so what's that? What are they stopping at now? Bridge, Scenic View. Hoover Dam.
Look at it on our way back.
We'll stop on the way back.
Yeah. Oh wait, we gotta get the bridge, right?
Yep.
Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Let's walk the bridge.
Okay.
So we're gonna be walking.
Yay, getting some exercise.
Yeah.
We needed
You don't
it.
have your watch.
No, but I have my phone. My phone picks it up too.
Go ahead and back in right here.
All right. All right, going up to the walkway. He's making us walk up all these stairs, so out of breath, but this is breathtaking. It's beautiful.
Get it, breath.
Breathtaking. All right. Calgan, Pat Tillman Bridge. Now that is really cool. I don't know. Maybe if we keep driving up the road? So cool. I'm a little afraid of heights. This is kind of like we got up towards the middle.
Are you guys getting afraid of heights and stuff? Or?
Yeah. I am. All right. We're in 2 states at one time.
That's right, right here. Nevada and Arizona. There, that's what I wanted to see.
Okay, that covered that. Now I've been in 2 states at one time.
So
right, well, it is really high up here, and I am like really scared of heights, so I'm standing by the wall, but it is so breathtaking. It is absolutely beautiful.
So you can see that this is the bridge over the Hoover Dam. This is Arizona. This is Nevada. We're standing where the two states come together. Isn't it absolutely gorgeous? It must be down there.
All right, I'm gonna keep walking.
Go all the way into Arizona.
Yeah, and come back, even though I'm afraid. I don't know why I'm afraid, but I am. I mean, it's like so high up here, but this is really cool. You gotta see this.
Blocked off up there.
Yeah, but I mean, we haven't walked today, so this is
Right.
like a great, I mean, this is gorgeous. It is hot. It is only like 75 degrees right now, but it's feeling warm. And it's a beautiful day out here. The sun is just gorgeous, but this is really cool. This is like something we've never experienced before. So, so they had a security check as you came in to make sure that you had no drones or no guns, which I'm not sure why either. But they actually checked the car to make sure that we had neither of those items in the car.
Well, this is an electrical plant, and so there has to be security around it. I don't want any terrorist act on an electrical plant that would devastate a whole state.
Oh, okay. Well, see, I didn't know that. I just thought it was weird. Why would we have guns or a drone? I guess this would be neat for drones, but we have no interest in drones.
Pretty day. There's no wind up here. I imagine this gets windy at times.
So we're going to just walk to this point here and then walk back. So pretty though. So pretty. It is so high up here. I don't even know why I'm walking. Oh, I can see an Arizona sign.
Yep.
Welcome to Arizona. Do you see it? I don't know if you got close up enough, but that's cool. That's really cool. To stand in two states at one time. Always wanted to do that, right? How about you?
Yeah. That's pretty
Bucket
neat.
list. Also, when we were in the middle, I took a break from filming for a moment and I called my mom and dad, just to show them. It's really cool. So they're back in Florida, and they had come here when we were very young. So to show them again was really cool. I thought that was neat. All right, so this is the end of the line. Gotta turn back around. Touch where there's no gum. Can you get the Arizona sign?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's really cool. All right, let's go back. Whew. I don't know how the workers were ever able to get up this high and work safely. Wow.
FaceTime on it.
He's gonna FaceTime on him. We gotta show everybody, right? So cool, you guys. This is so awesome. Huh?
We can probably park down here. There's people walking across the Hoover Dam itself. That's what we want to do, right?
We want to do that too. This is cool.
Yeah, so we can park down there in that garage right there. And then I see people walking over towards the dam.
Okay. Let's do it.
That's the Selma Hayek moment.
The Selma Hayek moment. What is the movie?
Hashtag Selma Hayek.
She was in Las
Something,
Vegas.
Fools
Russian.
Fools Russian.
All right, Fools Russian.
One of our
That was
favorite movies.
one of my favorite movies. And when we had our third daughter, I wanted to name her Isabella. That was Selma's name in the movie Fools Russian. But of course, he won out. He called her Autumn. But for 6 months, I would call her Isa because she was my Isabella. You know, when you name your child something in your belly, she kind of just stuck that way. And now sometimes I'll look at her and say she looks like an Isabella. But anyway, she's my Autumn. But we need our Selma Hayek moment.
That Nevada and Arizona.
Yeah.
So right now, my feet are on 2 different states.
Wow.
Nevada and Arizona. And it's right in the middle of the Hoover Dam. See? Kind of cool, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, so we were just right up there, and now we're down here, and we're gonna go across the bridge there. All right, they absolutely made it beautiful over here to bring it so people come visit. It's really nice. They put the palm trees in, great walkways. So they set up visitor tours, which is nice.
There's a visitor just coming downstairs. We'll have a lot more people go down there if they have an escalator.
Is there a lot of stairs or something?
Yeah. But again, this all reminds me of, this reminds me of the Mount of Temptation by Jericho.
Oh, there's an elevator. They can get down there.
Yeah. They have the cable car that comes up the mountain to the Mount of Temptation in Jericho. So what is that?
It says the visitor center.
Oh, so you walk underneath and then up there?
That's what it looks like. You can walk across the street here to get over.
Okay. Kind of pretty.
Definitely. And today is spending our day sightseeing
At the Hoover Dam.
I mean, who knew we'd ever be able to come do this? This is kind of cool like that.
So I'm looking across the way and it looks like, let's go on that side so that we can see the bridge and stuff.
Okay. We're talking about how high the water has come up where the white is. Wow. It's really cool. It's beautiful.
With all points to where the center of our sun was on September 30th, 1935, the day President Franklin D.
See, on that side though, I want to go over to the left too when we go back.
Okay.
Alright, so we'll head over to that side on the way back up. I'm telling my friends that.
here. High up.
No, this actually isn't as bad as over there. We're standing right over here looking down, and let me tell you, it is a long way down. This isn't as scary as over there. It was really cool, but it was really high. Look how beautiful that is. This is the part of the power plant, correct? Beautiful.
I think so. It's wild how the rocks are discolored like that.
Yeah, I'm sure that's where the water is going to
Yeah.
clean them off. And
Well, it's a straight down shot, ain't it?
yep. It's beautiful, peaceful. Be of benefit. All right, we're going to drive across the dam. Here we go. That's where we were earlier. We came down here, walked across that part of the dam, and now we are going to drive across. This has been an exciting event. I mean, this is something we've never done before. What do you think, honey?
I think it's amazing. Yeah, really, we were looking forward to this, and it didn't disappoint. I got a new t-shirt too. Ha ha ha! I'll model later.
It's really cool. This is really neat. It is beautiful out here. It's definitely a different landscape than what we are used to. There's a lot of security out here for the dam. But it is absolutely beautiful, breathtaking for sure. So right now we're in Nevada, and we're going to cross over into Arizona.
I interrupt something.
That's definitely an elevator to get down. We're crossing into Arizona now. There's the Arizona Times Tower, the Arizona Tower. That shows you the Arizona time. And on the back side, we'll show you on the way back over the Nevada Tower and the Nevada time. I wish we had Trisha's camera. You know?
Oh, Trish would have loved this.
Fantastic picture.
But she would have totally loved this adventure. Parking is $10 over here as well. I don't know what
It's a pretty long walk from the Arizona side.
Yeah.
Yeah, we had the better parking lot.
I think so too.
Guess I could turn around here.
Yeah, that's just a parking lot. Unless there's views up there.
It goes all the way up, so let's see what's up there.
Oh, also there's an Arizona sign.
Yeah. We're in Arizona today. It's the first time I've been in Arizona, babe.
First time you've been where?
First time I've been to Arizona. Here we are.
Arizona. The Grand Canyon State.
Do you want to ride it back across this way, or do you want to go across the big bridge?
Wherever you want to go.
Let's go across
I don't
the
care. Seen it all right now. It's really neat.
On this side, that might be a good picture.
They're taking that spot, dude. I'm glad we did this. Alright, my battery's about to die in my phone. Alright, we've had an excellent day here at the Hoover Dam. Just really enjoying the area. Thank you so much for joining us on our fun day out. Look at that. Is that gorgeous? That is gorgeous. Alright, thank you so much for joining us here on LautarLife. Thanks for sticking around for all our travel.
Yay.